Dear students, myself Ashok Kumar Vishwal, lecturer mechanical, Government Polytechnic Gajapati. Today my subject is topic is impact of jet, part 3. Subject fluid mechanics of chapter 7 for mechanical students, 4th semester mechanical students. मैंने आगुरी आम दुईटी क्लास ये ऊपर नहीं इम्पैक्ट ऑफ जेट से आम पढ़ी तीनोटी केस कौन पढ़ी ना व्हेन द जेट इज स्ट्राइकिंग ए स्टेशनरी वर्टिकल प्लेट फ्लैट प्लेट एंड सेकेंड केस व्हेन द जेट इज स्ट्राइकिंग ए मूविंग वर्टिकल फ्लैट प्लेट continuously moving vertical flat plate and the third case is when a number of flat plates are mounted on the periphery of a wheel and we have calculated work done, efficiency, force, etc. Force, work done, efficiency, etc. in the different three cases. So the basic formula or basic principle, basic law on which the impact of jet works is second law of motion. Second law of Newton's second law of motion. Fx equal to mass of water striking on the jet on the plate and change of velocity. So force equal to mass into acceleration or mass of water striking on the plate and the change of velocity. So this case today class we will study when the jet is striking on a curved plate. This is a specific case. In the previous cases the jet and the plate is moving in the same direction. Suppose the jet is moving in x direction, the plate is also moving in x direction. And in case of moving plates, so the relative velocity we are calculating v minus v, v minus u. V is velocity of the jet and u is velocity of the plate. But in the case of in this case when the jet is striking a curved plate, this case, so how to calculate the force? Here you see, so water from the reservoir flow through the pipeline, then from the pipeline flow to the nozzle, then that the pressure energy in the reservoir is converted to kinetic energy while it is flowing through the nozzle. So the jet with high velocity strikes the curved vane at one of the point, B point, at one of the tip, inlet tip. So with high velocity, the water strikes at here and then gliding over the inner surface of the plate, curved plate, it lifts here with relative velocity and the absolute velocity. So all the things are not shown in the slide, so I have to draw the curved plate here and the different velocities for your better understanding. So this is a curved plate. This is the velocity diagram. So in case of when the water is striking on a moving chord vane, we have to draw velocity triangles at inlet tip of the vane and outlet velocity of the outlet tip of the vane. Then by trigonometric relation, by trigonometric analysis, we can solve the problem when the jet is striking on a chord vane. So we have to calculate the force, etc. The notations. So different notations are. So in the notation shown in the slide and my notation slightly differs. Standard notation, I will give you some standard notations. A equal to suffix 1. Let us take suffix 1 for inlet and 2 for outlet, and A is cross sectional area of the jet, pi by 4 d square cross sectional area of the jet. D is diameter jet, and V is velocity of jet. U is velocity of chord plate or blade. Next, VR equal to relative velocity of jet. BW velocity of wheel. VF velocity of flow. So this is equal to V into cos alpha, and this is equal to V sin alpha. Again, alpha is jet angle or angle of jet. Beta is blade angle. These are the standard notations. Then we calculate mass. To calculate force, so we have to calculate mass of the water striking per second. So mass of water striking per second equal to rho A VR1. Rho is density of the water, A is cross sectional area of the jet, and VR1 is relative velocity of the water at inlet here. So this is velocity of the jet, absolute velocity of the jet. So this is mass of water striking the plate, chord plate at point C after leaving the nozzle and glide over the inner surface of the chord vane and leaves here with relative velocity VR2. Then this is initial velocity, initial relative velocity relative velocity at inlet, and this original direction is 180 degree. So the jet after leaving the nozzle moves with 180 degree, and it is deflected through 180. The angle of deflection is 180 minus beta 1 plus beta 2. So due to this deflection of our jet, it impacts some force on the chord vane. So to calculate the force, this is the mass of water striking per second, because this is a single chord vane. If the single chord vane is moving, then you consider relative velocity as the case of second case we have discussed in the first period. So force force equal to mass whole into relative velocity in the direction of x, in the direction of motion of the z. That means component of relative velocity is BD in x direction. So VR1 cos beta 1 and relative velocity, component of relative velocity in direction of x at the outlet of the velocity triangle. So this is VR2 cos beta 2, but the direction is from right to left. So the minus VR2 cos beta 2. So force equal to rho A VR1 whole into VR1 cos beta 1 plus VR2 cos beta 2. So after simplification, rho A VR1, so VR1 cos beta 2 equal to BD equal to VW2 VW1 minus U1. So velocity of wheel at inlet minus velocity of blade at inlet. So VW1 minus U1 plus, so VR2 cos beta 2 equal to U2 plus VW2 or VW2 plus U2. So this is equal to rho A VR1 whole into VW1 plus VW2. So VW1 W1 W2 cancels as U1 equal to U2 equal to U. As the jet is striking tangentially at one of the tip of the blade and leaving tangentially. So due to tangential flow, right here, due to tangential flow, U equal to pi dn by 60. Higher class रे पढ़िबो जब मेशिनरी पढ़िबो टर्बाइन्स इम्पल्स टर्बाइन सेतेबेले तुम बुझी पारिबो टेंजेंशियल डायरेक्शन पाई U1 equal to U2 equal to U. So force formula is Fx equal to rho A VR1 VW1 plus VW2. यही फिगर पाई VW1 rho A VR1 VW1 VW2 when alpha 2 is less than 9 degree. So this is the equation when alpha 2 is less than 90 degrees or VR2 cos beta 2 और ये कंडीशन ना मन रखिबा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करिया पे और VR2 cos beta 2 is more than U2. If alpha 2 is more than 90 degrees, less than 90 degree, the Fx equal to rho A VR1 VW1 plus VW2 within bracket. So ये case रे कौन होगा ना, if alpha 2 is more than 90 degree, that means the angle will be here, the velocity triangle will be like this. So this will be VR2. So V2. This will be V2. So in this case, Fx equal to, so in this case, V2 cos, you see VW2, component of VW2 is V2 cos alpha 2. V2 cos alpha 2. It देखो V2 cos alpha 2. This will be VW2 will be in this direction from left to right. So this equation will be minus. So Fx equal to rho A VR1 VW1 minus VW2 for this condition. So the common equation for force equal to rho A VR1 VW1 plus or minus VW2. So the work done, suppose alpha 2 is 90 degree, that means the discharge of water is perpendicular, then water leaves the vane at 90 degree. So in that case the VW2 will be 0, that means VW2, VF2 and V2 will be at 90 degree, so VW2 will be 0. So in that case this component will be 0. So work will be, force will be rho A VR1 VW into VW1. So work done per second equal to rho A VR1 VW1 plus or minus VW2 into U. Movement of the plate equal to U. So this is work done. So work done per second per unit weight of water. Unit weight of equal to rho A VR1 VW1 plus or minus VW2 into U divided by total weight of water equal to, this is mass of water. So multiply mass of water into with G, rho A VR1 into G. So unit weight formula will be 1 by G VW1 plus or minus VW2 into U. So next, what will be efficiency? What will be efficiency of the system? So efficiency of the system will be work done per second divided by kinetic energy supplied by the jet. So efficiency equal to work done equal to rho A VR1 VW1 plus or minus VW2 into U divided by kinetic energy equal to half mv square, half rho A V1. This is mass of water supplied by the jet, mass of water supplied by the jet into V1 square or VQ. This is efficiency of the system. So these are the formulas to solve problems on curved vanes. So the different conditions under which we will solve problems on curved vanes. So one, you have to remember the conditions if it is not given in the problem. So assumption 1, beta 1 equal to beta 2. If the vane is symmetrical, remember beta 1 equal beta 2 if the vane is symmetrical, remember symmetrical vanes. Symmetrical vanes. Next, VR1 equal to VR2 if the blades are smooth. If the blades are smooth, if the blades are rough, always the blades are not smooth. So after running of the blades for some periods, so the inner surface will be rough. If the blade is rough, so third condition is VR2 equal to K into VR1, where K equal to blade friction coefficient. Blade friction coefficient. And fourth condition is U1 equal to U2 equal to U if unless until it is given. এই কন্ডিশন চারটা মনে রাখিলে ইম্প্যাক্ট অফ জেট র প্রবলেম সলভ করি পারিব, নাই তো করি পারিবনি। সো এই চারটা কন্ডিশন মনে রাখিবা পড়িব। সো বিটা 1 ইকুয়াল টু বিটা 2 that means blades are symmetrical. VR1 equal to VR2 if the blades are smooth. Again, VR2 equal to K into VR1, where K is blade friction coefficient, and U1 equal to U2 equal to U, unless until given in the problem. That means, so the impact of jet is tangential to the one of the tips. Tangential, that means it strikes at one tip at C and gliding over the inner surface of the blades and leaves at the outer tip. So this is the problem. Slide रे सब किसी देखाई छि किंतु मो जो जति की डेरिवेशन करी छि बोर्ड रे सेति मन दैट इज एनफ. टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़िबा कि स्लाइड पढ़िबा ता बगा जति को बोर्ड कहि दैट इज एनफ फॉर योर सॉल्विंग पोल्यूशन इम्पैक्ट ऑफ जेट्स और टू स्टडी इन हायर सेमिस्टर टर्बाइन बा पंप जहाँ पढ़िबो जति को कहि दैट इज एनफ फॉर यू. So last formula is efficiency. Rho A VR1 here. Rho A VR1 VW1 plus or minus VW2 into U whole into U half rho A V1 square V1 Q. So there are some problems. So next class रे एको अप्लाई करी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करिया ता जादर के हमें फॉर्मूला गुड़ा मन रखि परिया. सो गोटे प्रॉब्लम गोटे क्लास प्राय नब तेणु पेसेंस रखी जब कैलकुलेटर धरिक बस आगे तेणु बुझ नचेत मु बोर्ड सॉल्व करी किसी वर्कआउट पुणी आणिक नेक्स्ट क्लास. सो ये प्रॉब्लम अच्छी यहाँ देख जल्दी सॉल्व कर पार्छ नेक्स्ट क्लास मुझे सॉल्व करी. सो व्हाट डू मीन बाय जेट डिराइव द फॉर्मूला फॉर वर्क डन बाय द जेट ऑन द फॉरवर्ड फैन. सो इफ एनीबडी हैव एनी doubt in this topic may contact me my WhatsApp number or email me ashokvishal02@gmail.com. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार. आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती. एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग. से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी ITI माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम. एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे.
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा.